Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl and Guitar. We have Role Model here with a song called Sally When the Wine Runs Out. So, Sally seems to be a party girl and Role Model loves her. So, let's go into this uplifting song. And we're gonna start this song with the capo set on the first fret. That's the best scenario for us. We have 6 chords to handle. So let's go right into the chords, and we're gonna look into the F first. That's a bar chord. So you place the index finger like this on the first fret, and you push down all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We also have a second version of F. That's the F major 7, the shorter one. Alright, and that goes third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We also have got the D chord, G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So that's the G, and next will be A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E, and the final chord will be D minor. And that goes open D, second G, third B, first E. So let's go into this verse play, and I can just mention right now we're gonna work with just downs here. All right, so fast downs, that is how we're gonna handle the chords. So let's start with the verse play. We have this F 3 downs, then C 4 downs, and G 9 downs. All right, so it's a little bit irregular, not on the even numbers like 2, 4, 6 like that. So we have 3, 4, 9. All right, so that gives us a certain rhythm for it. So it goes like this. Okay, so you don't have the time to count all these downs here, so you have to learn it slowly and then just get it into your blood, like feel when it's time to switch chords there. So slowly goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That is how you can think about it. So F, C, G. Okay, so with practice you will just feel when it's time to switch chord. That part you're gonna play for 4 rounds, and then you're gonna end with A minor 8 and G 8 on the 5th round, and that will be the first verse. So 4 rounds of, and on the 5th round, A minor, G. Okay, that is the first verse. But then comes the second verse right after this. So you're just gonna jump back again to this second verse and play the same F3, C4, and G9. And that part now, this time in the second verse, you're gonna play for 3 rounds only. So 3 rounds of that, and then you're gonna go into the A minor 8 and G8 and play that for 1 round. And that will finish the second verse. So these 2 verses come right after each other. So that is how you play the 2 verses. And then comes the chorus that he starts about 48 seconds into this one, okay? So it starts with Sally, that feeling, and so on. That's where we are in the lyrics. So we're gonna play this part. For 3 rounds to start with, and then this 4th round you're gonna play. Okay, so the first part now, which we're gonna play for 3 times, will be to play 2 downs on C, then 1 down on D minor, then 1 down on the F major 7, and then you're gonna play 8 downs on G. But the rhythm here will be to play G, 1 down first, 1, and then a short pause, and then comes 7 fast downs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That is how you end the first part of this chorus. So slowly it goes like this. And in tempo, a couple of rounds, you're going to play 3 rounds, but a couple of rounds goes like this. There you have the 3 rounds, and then you're gonna play pretty much the same rhythm here with the second part, which you're gonna play just for 1 round, and it goes A minor 2 downs, then G 1 down, then C 1 down, then F 1 down and a pause, and then comes another 3 rounds. And then you switch to G and play 4 downs. So that ending there you had in the first part with G 1 down and 7 downs. Now you're going to split it on F 1 down, 3 plus 4 on the G. And that is how you play the second part of it. Now consider all these as being 1 round. All these 4 rounds is 1 round. You're going to play this chorus corporation for 2 rounds. So that means first part C, D minor, F major, and G 3 times, and then A minor, G, C, F, G for 1 time, and that is 1 round. And you double up and play 2 times right after each other. That will be the first chorus. Okay. After that, you're gonna play the instrumental part, and that will be to play the verse play. We play that with F3, C4, and G9. That part you're gonna play for 2 rounds. That's just an instrumental bridge part into the next round of everything. Once you've done that, you're gonna come into the 3rd verse. Remember, you played the first 2 already, so now you're in the 3rd verse. And that is to play this F, C, G part for 3 rounds, and then the A minor and G for 1 round. Exactly in the same way as the 2nd verse. That is the 3rd verse. And after that comes actually a pre-chorus. We are now about 1 minute and 44 seconds in. You're gonna play it in the same way as you play the verse play, but now you're gonna replace the first chord, the F, with an A minor instead. So A minor 3, then C4, and G9. You're gonna play that part for 4 rounds, okay? So that is the pre-chorus at 1 and 44 in. Then comes the 2nd chorus, okay? So the 2nd chorus is played exactly in the same way as the first one. No changes there, and we already went through that. After that 2nd chorus comes a bridge part, and it happens about 2 minutes and 28 seconds in. What you're gonna do here is to play the first part of the chorus for 8 rounds. That means you're gonna play this C, D minor, F major, and G. This part. Play that for 8 rounds, and that is the bridge part. After that comes the final part of the song, and that is the 3rd chorus. That is played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses, and after that you play the last G there. You're gonna end with 1 down on the beautiful C. And that's it, my friends. That is how I handle role model Sally when the wine runs out. Not a good scenario. Anyway, an uplifting, cool song to play on guitar. And yeah, that's my mission, to educate you. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, mission complete, I hope. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.